As whale money moves up, you're going to see a linear resistance here that sits right at about a metric value of 70. If the price versus whale money flow moves up to this point and rejects, this is where I'm expecting a rejection of the $45,000 structure resistance. Bitcoin saw a huge move up over the past few days after bouncing from our $40,000 structure support. As we test $45,000 again, this will be a double top formation, which could potentially break out to $47,500 or crash all the way back down to $40,000. This is a make or break moment for Bitcoin, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can profit no matter what. Check this out. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks so much for joining us in today's video, and if you enjoy, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. Before we jump into it, let's go over a couple of announcements. First up, the Christmas indicator sale is live. As we scroll down here, click just this very first icon. Ho, 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 huge Christmas indicator sale. $650 off for our members, and this ends Friday at 5 p.m. Pacific time. There is only 3 days left in the sale. Do not miss out. Next announcement, let's head over to the trade setups page, and we just won a brand new trade. This brings us to 114 wins, 0 losses with 5 active trades. If we head over to the performance record, once again, 114 wins, 0 losses, 5 active trades. This middle column with the green represents 1 trades. Every single cell that says 4%, every single one of these is a 1 trade through the bear market. And as we scroll down, you're going to see bigger values like 6% profit, 10%, 7%, 8%. Absolutely insane what we've been able to accomplish. And as of today, December 20th, we have won the Uniswap trade for an additional 5% profit. Congratulations to anyone that was in the Uniswap trade. Easy profits there. Be sure to snag a membership so you're ready for the next one. And last announcement, future forecast video. We have brand new members only content talking about why Travis, the founder of Trade Confident, is shorting Bitcoin this morning, buying $250,000 worth of BITI. This is going to go over a lot of different data, including institutional trading theory, liquidity hunting, and more. You do not want to miss out on this video. It is crazy crucial information. And once again, members only content. If you want to get access to all this and more, trade setups, future forecast, and major indicator discounts, you're going to want to sign up for our membership. More on that later. We're going to scroll down to the Bitcoin metrics to get started with our analysis. First up is the Bitcoin emotional index. And after dropping into anxious territory, as talked about yesterday, this is a bullish move. Now, over the weekend, we actually dropped into anxious territory, and most often, as we can see from previous anxious readings, this tends to be very bullish. So it was no surprise to us that we did see temporary moves up. I do want to point out, though, we do not expect this move up to continue. As we move up into excited, this is where we're beginning to see moves back down again. You can see right here, excited, move down, excited, move down, excited, move down, excited, move down. Even if it is a temporary drop, moves down are likely as we push into excited territory. So watch out for that. Next up, I want to pay attention to the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector. Now, volatility did decrease over the past couple of days, but today it has actually increased. This is due to the sharper move up, and I'm betting if the price of Bitcoin continues trading within this channel, we are going to see the volatility breakout detector drop below the breakout zone. If we see a bar below the breakout zone, most often, as we can see back here, this is where we're seeing insane moves in the market. In fact, the last 3 breakout zone readings brought us to where we're at today. Keep in mind, though, just because we see a breakout zone reading does not mean we're going to move up. The breakout volatility detector only shows the size of the next move, not direction. And if you want to determine the direction of the next move, we need to be paying attention to what whales are doing. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. The Bitcoin smart money metric shows short trade sentiment in Bitcoin's future. As the price rises, whales tend to take profit at the top and enter short trades in order to make money on the way down too. Whales are masters of making money. Literally wherever they put their money, that's where Bitcoin is likely to go. Now, this shows what whales are likely to do soon. Let's check out what whales are doing actively today. Bitcoin whale money flow relative to price chart shows whale money has bottomed out right about here and is moving back into the market. This is short-term bullish for Bitcoin. If we see whale money move into the market, if we see this green line continue upwards, you can be almost certain that we're going to break out from our current resistance to see moves crazy, crazy high. But if whale money begins moving back down, and this is just a temporary little move up like this, If we see this move back down, we can very easily expect the price to move back down as well. The whale money flow relative to price chart may very well be the most important metric to follow, so keep a close eye on this as it updates. Next up, let's talk about our targets. Bitcoin major support and resistance levels shows major structure resistance at $45,000. This is exactly what we're testing right now, and if we break above this, expect massive moves up as high as $47,500. But if we reject, I think a move down to 40,000 or as low as 38,000 right here is possible. Keep a close eye on that. And last but not least is the Bitcoin trade signals chart. Last time we were at this level, we received a strong sell signal, and I think if we receive either a sell or strong sell signal, this could be a point of rejection. But watch out, every once in a while, this indicator is about 80% accurate, but every once in a while, we're going to see sell or strong sell signals invalidated caused by a short squeeze. We'll talk about that as that plays out, but for now, if we see bearish sentiment from our metrics and indicators and receive a sell signal, it's very likely we're going to see moves down. If the rest of the metrics and indicators are pointing bullish and we see a sell or strong sell signal, expect a short squeeze and a massive move to the upside. This is how we're trading the Bitcoin market right now. These are our personal views here at Trade Confident. If you're a Bitcoin trader, and I know you are, you're watching this video, of course, members get access to Bitcoin metrics as well as metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Members will get access to the brand new future forecast, members only content video, trade setups, and many more benefits, including massive discounts on our indicators. Do not miss out on this. Snag a membership at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the second link. Click that. Scroll down here. The full access for $59 a month is what you're looking for. Keep in mind, this is a limited time special. Price increases up to $95 a month are coming soon. And if we scroll down here, the membership is going to give you everything I just showed you and more. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, we're going to head into the live charts. I'm looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Right off the bat, we saw price versus well money flow locally low right here. We saw trades in favor low, and because of that, especially as we tested a structure support, we did end up seeing moves to the upside. Now at this point, as we're testing resistance, price versus well money flow is not nearly as high as I'd like it to see, though we do see a 76% chance of a drop. Typically, if we're looking for a rejection, we want to see price versus well money flow super overbought. We want to see trades in favor high, both of which tend to result in moves down, especially if we get a strong sell or sell signal at the top. All three of these typically result in moves down. You can see right here, price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high, strong sell signal, move down to $40,000. But the indicators do not lie. As well money moves up, you're going to see a linear resistance here that sits right at about a metric value of 70. If the price versus well money flow moves up to this point and rejects, this is where I'm expecting a rejection of the $45,000 structure resistance, at which case we would very likely move down to $40,000. However, if whale money decides to move up and continues pushing past that, I think this is what's going to indicate a breakout to the upside to create a new high for Bitcoin in 2023, sitting at around $47,500. However, if we head to the weekly time frame, we see a very different story. Price versus well money flow is extremely overbought. Trades in favor is maxed out again for a 99% chance of a drop, both of which typically result in significant moves to the downside. If you want proof of that, just check this out. Price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal, move down. Price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal, move down. Price versus well money flow high, trades in favor locally high, sell signal, move down. Price versus well money flow is significantly higher than it ever was here. Trades in favor is even higher as well. If we get a sell signal, I can almost guarantee a significant move to the downside. At this point, we are expecting this to be the mid-cycle top before a larger move to the downside, with $40,000 being our first target, $38,000 being our second if we break below that. If we move to the side here, you're going to see where the $47,500 resistance comes into play right about here. Anywhere between $47,000, which sits right about here, and $48,000 right about here would be a decent call to make. That's why we're going easy $47,500. whole numbers theory. Scrolling back over here, we're going to head back to the 1-day time frame. From the current price, if we break to the upside through the $45,000 structure resistance, we can expect an 8.27% move up to meet $47,500, or from the current price, a move down to $40,000 would be 8.9% drop. Now, both of these are pretty significant moves. I think the price is first going to move all the way up to test $45,000, even if it's just a little bit of a wick that touches it before moving back down. And at that point, we'll need to evaluate once again if price versus well money flow is sitting at about 70 and it rejects from that level. I think we're going to see drops back down to $40,000. If, as we test 70, we break through this level, we can expect moves up to break through and move all the way up to $47,500. Now, you need to be paying very close attention to these indicators as the market plays out. We're seeing insane moves today, and you need to be paying attention to exactly what whale money is doing. You need to be able to see market momentum using the trades in favor, and you need to be able to call the tops and bottoms using the TC top and bottom finder. Once again, as we top out, we'll be looking for price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high, and a sell or strong sell signal as we test resistance. And if we get all three of these, that's where we're looking for a significant move to the downside. Keep a close eye out for that. And if you do not have these indicators, now is the time to do it. You have 3 days left to get $650 off. You cannot afford to miss out on this. This is one of the biggest sales we've ran. If you want to get access to these indicators, links are in the description of the video you're watching right now. Scroll down, click more. The indicators are the first link. Click that. It'll bring you to the Christmas indicator sale page. Pro indicator pack is what you're looking for. Members get a significant $250 off discount code. It is $150 cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. It is worth your money to purchase a membership, even if it's just for the discount. Of course, please take advantage of the money-making benefits there. Once you have your membership, click access coupon code, click Pro Indicator Pack, scroll down and click I want this, throw in your membership coupon code, throw in your information here, and click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, completing your full $650 discount. Click add to cart, follow the prompts. We're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the brand new future forecast video. Do not miss out.